Hi, hello there. So today I'm just going to go over the very basics of the coordinate geometry system, and I'm going to go through the four main equations. So first of all, here we have an axis. They're perpendicular to each other. That means they make right angles when they meet the two lines. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis, and that's important, okay? The x-axis, okay? The vertical axis is called the y-axis. Okay, so whenever I mention x or y, that's what I'm talking about, horizontal and vertical. Okay, the center where they meet is called the origin or the 0 point. Okay, now you can break up these axes into equal amounts. So when you go right, it's always positive. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you go left, it's negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. On the vertical axis, the y-axis, when you go up, it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you go down, it's negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on and so forth. Now, the whole point of having this coordinate system is that you're allowed to find any point in any of the four areas just using a very simple algorithm. So for example, if I have a point, let's call it A, and A is written in coordinate geometries, the point is written inside a pair of curved brackets, and you'll have one number, for example 2, then you'll have a comma, and then you'll have a second number. Now some people, if you're really good at maths, this is actually a matrix, but anyway, don't worry about that. This is how you would write a set of coordinates. Okay, so how are these set of coordinates translated into this? Well, it's very simple. Okay, the first number will always be along the x-axis. The second number will always be along the y-axis, and then when you join them virtually, as I'll show you, you generate the point. So the point A will exist when I go out to 2 and I go up to 5. So look, go out to 2, up to 5. So that is the point A. So visually what you're doing is your eye is going out to 2 and then it's going up to 5. You don't have to draw these little hashed lines, they're just to visually show you what's happening. So that's the point A. For example, if I was to do the point B, where it was -4 and 2, again, this is my x, this is my y. So I will go out to -4 and up to 2. So look, there we have it, -4, 2. And that would be my B. And again, you can see visually, there it is. Okay, I'll do another one. Let's say C is -3, -2. So again, there's my x, there's my y. -3 is there, -2 is there, so that is C. And again, visually, that's what I'm just showing you how your eye should read it off. Okay, and then let's do one more in this quadrant. Okay, I hope you'll be able to predict it. Okay, so let's go with the point D. Okay, let's say D is 5 and -4. Okay, so out to 5 on the x-axis and down to -4. And there it is, there's D. And again, just show you, that's where your eye should be looking at. So zoom like that. So that's how you do the very basic coordinate geometry system, how you plot a point. Okay, so usually you'd be asked to plot a point. And that's how you plot those points. Okay, now when it comes to actually doing the mathematics of this, these points don't exist independently. Okay, so if you look at them very carefully, if I was to draw each of these points, let's take A. If I was to draw A back, you will notice that it creates a right angle triangle with the horizontal line. And same thing with B, look. If I draw B back, it also creates a right angle triangle. The same with C. There's another right angle triangle there. And the same with D. So look. Another right angle triangle. there. And the fact that these can create right angle triangles with the x-axis is a very powerful thing, because we have rules around right angle triangles that allow us to find things. Okay, so I'll refer back to this in a while. So